Welcome to Trinab chemistry classes. In this video, I am going to discuss about zero order reactions, which is the part of chemical kinetics. This is my fourth video in this topic. This is my fourth video in chemical kinetics topic. In my first video, I have discussed about rate of reaction and units of rate of reaction, experimental determination of rate of reaction. In the second video, I have discussed about factors affecting the rate of reaction. In my third video, I have discussed about law of mass action, then order and molecularity differences, and half-life of a reaction. In this video, I am going to discuss about zero order reactions. Zero order reactions. In my previous video, that is part 3, I have told the order of reaction is I have discussed that order of reaction is the sum of the powers of the concentration terms in the rate equation. Sum of the powers of the concentration terms in the rate equation. If sum of the powers of the concentration terms is 0, then those reactions are called zero order reactions. For zero order reactions, we are going to discuss in this video. Zero order reactions. Zero order reactions. What are zero order reactions? Zero order reactions are the reactions whose order is 0. The reactions whose order is 0. The reactions whose order is 0 are called zero order reactions. Are called zero order reactions. The reactions whose order is 0. The reactions whose order is 0 are called zero order reactions. The reactions whose order is 0 are called zero order reactions. Or some of the powers of the concentration terms. Some of the powers of the concentration terms in the rate equation. Is 0. Those reactions are called zero order reactions. Those reactions are called zero order reactions. The reactions whose sum of the powers of the concentration terms in the rate equation is 0 are called zero order reactions. Or the reactions whose order is 0 are called zero order reactions, or sum of the powers of the concentration terms, the reaction for which sum of the powers of the concentration terms in the rate equation, sum of the powers of the concentration terms in the rate equation is 0, then those reactions we are calling them as zero order reactions. Those reactions we are calling them as zero order reactions. Now we need to derive an expression for the zero order rate constant. We need to derive an expression for the rate constant of a zero order reaction. Now let us consider a zero order reaction or this zero order reaction or this recipe. Let us consider a zero order reaction or this recipe. Let R not be the initial concentration of reactor. Let R naught be the initial concentration of reactants, and let R be the concentration of reactants after time t. After time t, let R be the concentration of reactants after time t. R not be the initial concentration of reactants, and R be the concentration of reactants after time t. Now, according to the definition of law rate equation, what we can say, this rate of any reaction is dr by dt or dp by dt is equal to, according to this definition of rate of reaction, rate is equal to, from law of mass action, we know that rate is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactants. Reactants raised to their corresponding stoichiometric coefficients. But as it is a zero order reaction, here the concentration of reactants term is raised to zero. Here, rate we can say that rate is proportional to the concentration of the reactants raised to the power zero. Raised to the power zero. Here, now rate is equal to, if I remove the proportionality, I can write R naught power 0, R power 0, and rate is equal to. Now I can write in case of rate dr by dt. Now here, just I am rearranging the words. Dr is equal to k into dt. K into dt. Dr minus dr is equal to k into dt. See here, on integration both sides. Right? We know that integral dx is equal to x plus c. Integral dx is equal to x plus c. Integral dx is equal to x plus c. That's why if I integrate on both sides, then what will happen? Minus dr is equal to integral k dt plus c, or I, k dt plus I. And here please remember that in integration, which will be discussed in mathematics second year 2B paper, this integral dx is equal to x plus c, whereas integral k dx is equal to, I can remove this as a k into dx plus c integral kx plus c. Please remember these two formulas. Integral dx is equal to how much? X plus c. Integral k dx is equal to, here k is a constant, I can take out. That's why here minus dr is equal to k into integral dt plus. Now you see here dx, here in place of x, what is there? R. That's why it becomes R is equal to kt plus I. Kt plus I. In order to complete this, we need to know what is the I value. What is the I value? When t is equal to 0, that is when there is no reaction, that the reaction is not yet started, then what is the concentration of reactants? Concentration of reactants becomes initial concentration. Initial concentration. If when t is equal to 0, then if there is no, the reaction is not yet started, then what will happen to rate of reaction? What will happen to concentration of reactants after time t? What will happen to t is equal to 0? It is equal to the initial concentration, which is equal to the initial concentration. Now, if I substitute, let this equation be 1. If I substitute this R value with this R value in I value, suppose if I substitute these values in equation 1, then what will happen? R naught is equal to k into 0 plus I. I is equal to minus R. Substitute this I value in equation 1. If I substitute, no, what will happen? Minus R is equal to KT minus R naught. Now K is equal to R naught minus R by T. R naught minus R by T. Now this is the expression for the rate constant of a zero order reaction. Rate constant of a zero order reaction. We know that zero order reactions are the reactions whose order is zero are called zero order reaction. The order of reaction is zero, then those reactions we are calling them as zero order reactions. For zero order reactions, rate equation is given by minus dr by dt is equal to k, because here the concentration power is the reactance concentration power is reactance concentration of reactance power is zero. Here it becomes 1. Here K is called zero order rate constant. You see, I have rearranged the terms. I have integrated. We know that integral dx is equal to x. That's why integral minus dr is equal to k dt plus I. If it is in the form of dx, that's why r kt plus I. In order to complete this equation, we need to know what is I value. I is given as when t is equal to 0, r becomes r naught. Then if I substitute this r value and p value in equation 1, I will get I is equal to minus r naught. If I rearrange, if I take out this r naught this side, then k is equal to becomes r naught minus r by t. This is the expression for the rate constant of a zero order reaction. Rate constant of a zero order reaction. Right? Now, what is the expression for the rate constant of a zero order reaction? Rate constant of a zero order reaction is K is equal to R naught minus R by T. Now, here you please try to understand R naught is the initial concentration of reactants. R naught is the initial concentration of reactants, and R is the concentration of reactants. Concentration of reactants after time t. After time t. R is the concentration of reactants after time t. This is the expression for the zero order rate constant. Now, half-life of a zero order reaction. Half-life of a zero order reaction. Previously, I have discussed half-life is the, in my previous class, I have discussed about half-life. Half-life is the time required to reduce the concentration of reactants to half of its initial value. That is when t is equal to t of, what will happen? R becomes R naught by 2. R naught by 2. R becomes R naught by 2. That's why what is happening is here, if I substitute these values in the above equation, K is equal to R naught minus R naught by 2 by, in place of T, what I am writing, T of. When T is equal to T of, that is I substituted in place of T, T of, and R naught by 2. R in place of R, I am writing R naught by 2. Then T of is the R naught by 2. This is the expression for the rate half-life of a zero order reaction. Half-life of a zero order reaction.